What causes autism? The unsatisfying answer to this question is that scientists still don't fully grasp what leads to autism. Rather than a single gene or lifestyle trend, autism is the result of complex interactions between many different factors. Genetics contribute more to the condition than do environmental factors. Autism is highly heritable, and people who have a sibling with autism are more likely to have autism themselves. People are more likely to have autism if they have related genetic disorders, such as Fragile X syndrome, Rett syndrome, and tuberous sclerosis. Autism is also more likely due to a number of environmental factors, such as maternal infection, diabetes, high blood pressure, and older paternal age at conception. Pinning down the connection to other elements of the environment, such as air pollution, has proven more difficult. The number of children diagnosed with the disorder has risen dramatically since the 1960s. Experts believe that much of the change can be attributed to changes in diagnostic criteria and greater awareness among clinicians and the general public. So autism genetic? Yes, genes play an important role in autism. The heritability of autism is estimated to be around 80%. This means that if one identical twin has autism, the other twin would have an 80% chance of developing autism. In the case of fraternal twins, who share half rather than all of their DNA, the second twin has a 40% chance of developing autism. People whose siblings have the condition are also more likely to develop it. People with genetic disorders such as Fragile X syndrome, Rett syndrome, or tuberculosis sclerosis are also more likely to have autism, according to the CDC. What are genetic risk factors for autism? Dozens of genes are now known to correlate strongly with autism, and hundreds more have smaller connections. Genetic differences can be inherited through a parent's DNA, or they could spontaneously occur in the sperm, egg, or embryo. A person who is said to have risk factors often has a first-degree relative with an autism spectrum disorder, but it is impossible to quantify the risk at this time. It is important to understand that having genetic risk factors for autism does not mean that a person will necessarily go on to develop the condition.